friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm here to give you a little sneak peek of what I'm working on for them right now. It's April 2023, it's spring, everything's blooming, and we are going to make a darling mini album with Carta Here, There, and Everywhere collection. This is happy paper, people. All these beautiful florals, little Volkswagen buses, bicycles, everything we love about springtime. Gorgeous floral patterns. Look at this VW bus, so cute. All these great little images. I love this collection. As soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to do an album with y'all using it. So we're going to get the 6x6 Mega Pad, which has 48 sheets of 6x6 paper, double-sided, in all these beautiful patterns that I'm showing you. I love the way they do their collection so that everything mixes and matches. But we also get these cardstock solids, which is so handy. I love that they do that. And of course, they're perfectly color matched to the paper collection. And we get these title pages as well. So we get in here, there are 36 double-sided patterned papers, 9 solids, and 3 title papers, which are solid on the back side. So 2 of those we can use as solids. So we get that. We're going to get these super fun adhesive brads. I love these, that they've made them adhesive, and we can use these to dress up our album. Then we're going to get these wonderful chipboard phrases. All these little words come in so handy, and don't we love the banners? So that's going to be fun. And we're also going to get 1 sheet of the 12x12 because bees on one side and this wonderful golden plaid on the other. And we're going to do fun stuff with that. Then to go with that, we also have, we're going to get a yard of this great gingham ribbon, which looks beautiful with the paper collection. We have 3 wooden buttons. The 3rd one is in there. And then we have all of these fantastic frame and tag ephemera bits. So these to me are the little finishing beauties for any project, cards, albums, folios, whatever. Everything looks terrific when you add these in. They are great for layering. They are great for adding little tags and such. So those. And then this is the album we're going to make. This is Graphic 45's brand new album in a box. So we're going to use the ivory one. This is 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. It's got this great magnetic flap on the front, and then it opens out actually this way, and you've got a beautiful pocket right here, and here's the album. So it's full of pockets, flaps. Look at this great pocket here. Lots of room for fun ideas that I have in mind. Then another pocket here, another pocket here, and it actually glues onto the spine. So when you open your album out, open the box, your album flips out. So we can do it that way, or I have another thought for maybe how I want to do it. I'm just thinking about it to see what I think. But anyway, this is what we're doing. We're going to make the cutest, and it will be the kind of thing that you can set out on your coffee table, which is always really fun. All right, guys, so now you know we're working with Carta Here, There, Everywhere, and we're going to make something fun and beautiful with Button Farm Club this month. Thanks, guys. I'll show you soon what we're making. So here's what we're making, my friends. This little box turns out so stinking cute. We are making a decorative easel top, so you can display this on your desk with this cheery message that life is a beautiful ride. You're going to learn how to make rosettes and rolled roses. You're going to learn how to make this easel card top. The box is decorated on all 4 sides, has a little magnetic flap with a bow and a button. And then this opens out like this. So fun. All kinds of pockets and mini folios, flips and flaps. And more little interactive features all through it. Fun little hidden pockets, tip-in pages. Look how sweet these images and papers are together. This is just a beautiful project for spring. Then these little pull-out pages. Lots of room for photos if you want to add photos, but then they're also just pretty to look at just because the papers are so beautiful. This is another pull-out page here. These are really fun waterfalls with a little belted belly band. So cute. A little secret message at the bottom. This one is the same. Then a little pull-out element, little hello. This is just a fun looky page. And then this flap and pocket combo with another little mini folio hidden away in here and room for a photo there. And then this flips out, another little mini folio and another pocket, a little tag and a little pocket. And then this is a gatefold page. Look how fun this is. This flips out. Lots of room for fun. And then this at the back unties and flips up, and then has another flip up, and has a pop-up element, and then a little flap, and another little flap, and then all the way at the back a pocket. So that's fun. And that is our project. That's what we're going to make with this wonderful Carta Bella. Here, there, and everywhere. So what comes with your kit, you're going to get all the supplies that you need to make the box. You need to bring in a few additional, like everyday, like paper trimmers, scissors, adhesive supplies from your stash. You're going to get links to a private video tutorial with me that you can watch over and over again as often as you want at your own convenience. And you're also going to get a basic written guide with just very basic instructions, full color photos, and measurements. So that's what comes in your kit. You can order this at the Button Farm Club. I will put the link in the description box below. It will take you directly to Button Farm where you can place your order. And I will also put a link to my blog so that you can read about this on my blog post if you'd like to. But that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. Thank you so much for taking a look at this sneak peek of Here, There, and Everywhere. Y'all get your craft on. Bye.